So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use QuillBot, a paraphrasing tool. So to use this is pretty simple. So here we have QuillBot. You can go to quillbot.com. So right here we have QuillBot. So we have a paraphraser, we have a grammar checker, we have a plagiarism checker, we have an AI detector, and we have QuillBot Flow, Summarizer, Citation Generator, Translator. So you have also your QuillBot for your extension for Chrome and QuillBot for your extension for Word and also QuillBot for your Mac OS such as me. So basically how to use this is pretty simple. So here you have your modes, which is standard, fluency, natural, formal, academic, simple, and creative. Here you can add your synonyms or you can lower or fewer the changes or more changes. So you have to purchase premium so you can get the most changes out of this. So you can also do French, Spanish, German, and you check out all the languages that is available right here. So we're going to do English US. So here, hello, I am right there in the station. Let's just say like that, for example. So we can do more synonyms and more changes to that. So we can paraphrase it right here. So it's gonna detect. So here we have our first one. So you can rephrase this part, hey there. And then here you can rephrase the whole thing to a fluent or a formal type. So right here, you have a lot of options you can go with, but you have to unlock premium with it, of course, since there. So you also have your plagiarism checker and all, but that's gonna be another video. So thank you for watching this video. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.